do less, get more. So, it's my opinion that in your business and your life, once you have the correct strategies, you're going to be able to work a lot less. But since you know exactly what you need to do to get results, you get these results a lot faster and a lot more consistently. Okay? Great example. So imagine you're playing a sport called basketball, right? So when you're first shooting and you're first learning how to play, you don't really have a good jump shot down, right? So you don't really know how to shoot the ball and let it go inside the hoop consistently, right? So at first, in order for you to get better at the game, you got to shoot for a couple hours a day, maybe 2-3 hours a day, right? But then there comes a point where you either find someone who knows how to actually play or who's played professional or is giving basketball lessons, and they show you exact drills that you need to do to start increasing the frequency of your shots going inside of the basket. So you start making the basket more consistently. What that allows you to do and what you start to see is, oh, these guys are only practicing 1 or 2 hours a day on skills. I was practicing like 5 hours a day shooting the basketball. But these guys are only doing a couple drills every single day, and they're a lot better. So I started practicing those few drills, right? Spending maybe 1 or 2 hours on those drills, and my game exponentially increased. I was able to shoot more consistently. I was able to score more points. I was a lot more confident on offense, right? The same thing with your business. Once you go find someone who understands what they're doing, and then you actually go and align yourself with their systems and their strategies that they're teaching people, then you're going to be able to start getting more results a lot faster, okay? So for example, for my clients, right? Some of them have been doing their business for 3 to 5 years, right? And they just weren't seeing any success. Maybe they can get clients in real life. Maybe they can't, right? But for sure, they don't know how to actually go on the internet and get people to, actually care about what they say and then pay them money at the end of the day for, the service that they want to provide, okay? Instead, what they start doing is they start saying, okay, Bryce, can you show me how to do this? Sometimes they pay. Sometimes people inside of my group can get some of these strategies for free, just depending on how I'm feeling that specific week, right? But they start aligning themselves with the strategies and the systems, and they start, you start getting messages in my inbox saying, "Wow, Bryce, thank you so much for showing me this." Let me read a text I got the other day. Yeah, sorry, just gonna pull up a text from someone. Basically, the gist of the text is, I've never been able to actually get these results and actually get a complete stranger to give me money until I actually started using your system. Yeah, shit. Sorry, but the gist of it is basically I've never been able. Okay, I did not. Because I like to know stuff. This process was the first way I got a customer that didn't know me. I'm sticking with it. I also told you I'm getting momentum and it's exciting. Okay, these are text messages I get every single day, right? Because the strategies that we're using work. It's not like it's some newfangled strategy. This is a strategy that I took from a proven mentor who's actually making money in this specific space of coaching, right? We've also just kind of cross-referenced it from what rappers use to get influence, what, politicians are using to get, elected into office, and what, people like on talk shows like Oprah and Ellen DeGeneres are doing to actually get people to like them and actually watch their shows. If that's something that you've been searching for, I recommend you go check out the link in the description either above or below the video, depending on where you're seeing it. So, who is this for? Because this is not for everyone. This is only for people who, are sick and tired of not getting what they want in life. For me, right, I oftentimes felt like I was falling through the cracks of life. What does that mean? That means, like, I would see all these other people who, started their business, like, in 6 months and then started making $10,000 a month in their first, like, 3 months. And it's like, what? It took me a year to be able to actually go make that much money, right? And then you see all these different people who are, driving better cars than you are, who are living in better houses, who can spend more time with their kids, who can go on vacations, who are not stressed all the time because they have the money thing figured out. If that's something that you really are searching for and you actually want to take care of this year, okay, I'm talking about now. You actually want to move forward and actually get this solved and this area solved in your life so you can go enjoy the rest of your life and not have to worry about like a business until you're like 50. Then I recommend you go check out the link in the description below. Okay? Henry Thoreau says, the majority of men lives lives of quiet desperation. That's because they don't take advantage of information and opportunities when they present themselves. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Go join the group today. So, hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to share this video with someone who can benefit from the information as well. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. See you later, and good day.